Guangzhou, Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around.
Okay, we're in Guangzhou, and we're in an area called Dongshankou. We're going to be walking down this kind of cool looking street and kind of showing you what this city looks like a little bit as well. But yeah, it looks amazing. So stay tuned for that. I will give you an idea of what it all looks like. But yeah, it's Dongshankou. Guangzhou up on the map. Dongshankou, the hipster area of Guangzhou. All kinds of young people, very fashionably dressed, lots of cool stuff everywhere. And we're gonna get right into it and show it to you as if you're there yourself. A little slice of Guangzhou. Let's do it. Let me kind of give you a little idea of where we're at exactly. So Dongshankou, we're right here. So I guess there's like a park right over here and an overpass. And we're just gonna probably walk directly down that street and kind of give it an idea of what it looks like exactly. So stay tuned for that. Some beautiful buildings. We might even try to walk into those buildings a little bit as well. Okay. And we have the name of the street right here. So this might be a marker for people that want to take a look at it later. And you can see exactly where we are. But it is an area called Dongshankou, which I mispronounced greatly, and my apologies for that. There's all kinds of interesting stuff that we could be exploring, of course. Okay, let me just see if we can go across here. Stores, okay, let's just keep on walking. Okay, this is good. I'm on this side, which means I can show you that what's above us. Because if you look up there, there's a whole realm of stuff up at that second floor, second story. Kind of see where some of these people are coming out of. There's kind of cool stuff everywhere, so it's like a clothing store. Even the tree, it's like a heart on it. Okay, So yeah, up there on the second story, you can also see some stuff as well. I think there's some restaurants and some people taking pictures up there. So, okay. Yeah, lots of like fashion stuff, so you can see. I did another video of Guangzhou where I walked down that way and there's a lot of people, but right now there is not. So we'll just keep on going. Oh yeah, this guy is kind of interesting. He's going up and down the street saying something. It's kind of cool. Okay. So yeah, this street right here is kind of a trendy street. An interesting one to visit if you're in Guangzhou. So there's got another map up that way. So I'm kind of curious like how far down we've gone in our little. Let me just run across real quick. Usually I'm used to cars honking. So we've gone very little distance. We've just basically gone here. So it'd be like 25% of the way across. So I guess overall it's fairly small. Pretty trendy area. Kind of need to explore more of other neighborhoods. Well, last time here I was in Tianhe, which I'm also mispronouncing. And I saw some other videos that even have some cooler stuff. What is this? Here, bro. The music might affect the video a little bit. So that's called Beer Bro. Okay. What else we got around here? Let's just kind of go across like this. Just have a little change of scenery, see what's on the right side. Taste of Guangzhou. Oh yeah. I think there's some other spots where we're going to see some more artwork. That's right, I did film this area before. So I remember seeing these bean bags. Jewelry shops, coffee shops. Back of China on the other side. Let me just kind of capture this whole scene a little bit. These buildings right here, there's a ton of brick buildings all the way through there. So my last video I actually did film those a little bit. Okay. We're going to take a left here in a second. So yeah, this is the other one I remember going up to before as well. Last time I was in Dongshankou. And they have like a little bit of a hangout space in here. We'll just walk in. Vintage. Kind of cool. That's right, they also have that, this is a little McDonald's guy in black as well. Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, so let's go straight down. I think that one guy is singing. There he is. It's kind of going up and down and singing. That's kind of cool. Oh, he's gonna turn around. Oh, okay. Oh. So that's kind of interesting. I think this particular street, that guy just kind of went up and down the street, but I think this street feels like more of a fashion street than the other ones I've been walking on. So now we're gonna kind of end up where this kind of bus depot area is, and I think I'll just keep going on the street because this is the street that we had the sign on. And let's see how much it actually changes as well. Yeah, I should be a streamer, I guess. That's what I'm doing. I just record it and I put it on YouTube later, but I should be streaming on a Chinese platform. Let's let this one go by. Yeah, I have been wanting to check out this area, Dongshankou, in more detail. I came here, I've been to Guangzhou other times, and then I came here the last time I was here and I was quite impressed. Thought it was just such a cool area. So now I actually get a chance to explore it a little bit more and figure it out a little bit more. Let's see if we can get through. There's a whole little crowd of people in here. Okay. You have some kind of cool architecture everywhere. So yeah, this is Dongshankou. It's in Guangzhou. Gazebo Slice. I think feels like it's gonna change up here. We could go into something like that, some kind of back alley kind of thing. Let's see what kind of stuff we have down in here. Yeah, I really should be streaming because that's kind of what I'm doing. Here's a bar. Might be fun. There's a 1933 straight ahead with the guy standing up on the balcony. That looks really cool too. Okay. So I guess we're gonna just keep on going down. It's a runner. Comic books. Omakase. There's a whole coffee shop in there. Let me just see. Must try restaurant. So this is basically where we're just at. I think we'll go down a little bit further, just kind of see what else is here, I guess. The main goal is to give you an idea of what Guangzhou looks like in Dongshankou in particular. It's another little... It looks like it's gonna change. So we'll go up to the street and see how much it changes. We'll most likely end it Okay. So these are like a giant wall of apartments hidden behind a wall. It's like we have more of those up here as well. I'm sure there's some interesting stuff up here too. But we're gonna go up to the street sign and just see how much it changes. Yeah, it looks like it's just gonna be kind of walls of stuff. And I think that town, I think the street name changed too. Okay, so that was this little Dongshankou. Check out those nice, beautiful trees. Those are the ones down that way. Just quiet, the other areas. And I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to an ending. Actually, it looks better when you're looking the camera this direction. There's more, you can feel more life. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we'll just get to this corner right here. Oh, here's Dongshankou station. And then we're gonna end it. Guangzhou.
Something to see, just look around.